好. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use words like this and these in sentences. So let's get started. To say what's this is 这是什么? Please repeat after me. 这是什么? 这是什么? 这是什么 is made of 4 words. 这 means this. 是 means is. 什么 means what. Put them together and you get what's this. 这是什么? To answer this question, we can say 这是书, which means this is a book. 这是书 is made of 3 words. 这 means this. 是 means is. 书 means book. 这是书. To ask a question in plural, what are these? You would say, 这些是什么? Please repeat after me. 这些是什么? 这些是什么? 这些是什么 is made of 4 words. 这 means this. 些 indicates plural. 是 means is. 什么 means what. 这些是什么? The answer will be these are books, which is 这些是书. Please repeat after me. 这些是书. 这些是书. 这些是书 is made of 4 words. 这 means this. 些 indicates the plural. 是 means is. 书 means book. When these words are used in a sentence, they mean these are books. 这些是书. In this lesson, we have learned 这是什么? What's this? 这是书. This is a book. 这些是什么? What are these? 这些是书. These are books. This is the end of the lesson. Next, we will learn how to use that and those in a sentence.